As an accounting software expert, I'm often asked about the best ways to streamline financial processes, particularly for service-based businesses, freelancers, and small enterprises. A common question that arises is, does FreshBooks have a client portal? The answer, unequivocally, is yes. FreshBooks offers a robust client portal, and it's a feature that significantly enhances client communication and overall efficiency. Let's dive into what a client portal is, why it's so valuable, and how FreshBooks leverages this powerful tool to improve your business operations. What exactly is a client portal in accounting software? Imagine a dedicated, secure online space where you and your clients can interact directly, exchange documents, and track project progress, all without the endless back and forth of emails or phone calls. That, in essence, is a client portal within accounting software. It's a centralized hub designed to foster collaboration and transparency, moving away from fragmented communication methods towards a more organized and professional interaction. For service providers who regularly invoice clients, share estimates, or collaborate on projects, a client portal is not just a nice-to-have. It's a fundamental component of a modern, efficient workflow. Why a client portal is crucial for modern businesses. In today's fast-paced business environment, clients expect quick access to information and seamless communication. A client portal addresses these needs directly, offering numerous benefits. Enhanced communication. Instead of relying on email chains that can easily get lost or overlooked, a client portal provides a dedicated channel for messages, comments, and feedback. This keeps all project-related communication in one organized place, making it easy to track discussions and ensure everyone is on the same page. Improved transparency. Clients can log in at any time to view their invoices, payment history, estimates, and project status. This level of transparency builds trust and reduces the need for clients to constantly reach out for updates. Faster payments. A key advantage of client portals is the ability to enable online payments directly through the portal. Clients can review an invoice and make a payment with just a few clicks, leading to faster payment cycles and improved cash flow for your business. Many portals also allow for automatic payment reminders, taking the awkwardness out of chasing late payments. Secure document sharing. Sharing sensitive financial documents via email can be risky. Client portals provide a secure environment for uploading and downloading files, ensuring that confidential information is protected with encryption and access controls. This is particularly important for compliance and data privacy. Streamlined collaboration. For businesses that work on projects with their clients, a portal can facilitate real-time collaboration. Clients can review proposals, approve estimates, share files, and provide feedback directly within the system, eliminating delays and ensuring a smoother project lifecycle. Reduced administrative burden. By empowering clients with self-service options, you reduce the time your team spends answering routine questions, sending invoice copies, or chasing payments. This frees up valuable administrative time that can be reallocated to more productive tasks. Professional image. Offering a dedicated client portal elevates your business's professional image. It demonstrates that you are leveraging modern technology to provide an organized, efficient, and client-centric service. FreshBooks' approach to the client portal. FreshBooks, as a cloud-based accounting software specifically designed for service-based businesses, freelancers, and small businesses, has long understood the importance of client interaction. Their client portal is an integral part of their ecosystem, focusing on ease of use and seamless collaboration.